ways to ensure quality standards before the cars get listed.
So what are we waiting for? Let's go and dive in to improve the ride experience for everyone.
I am Ferrer Ferderiza and this is my partner.
Miranda Angie.
In today's video, we're tackling a crucial topic for any organization striving for excellence.
Implementing effective compliance and quality standard training. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this guide will provide you with a clear roadmap to building a training program that not only meets regulatory requirements but also foster a culture of quality and integrity.
Why is this training important? Well, effective compliance and quality training can lead to increased efficiency, reduce risk, and enhance reputation, ultimately a healthier bottom line. It helps your team understand the rules, follow best practices, and contribute to a safer and more reliable environment.
So let's proceed into the key steps to creating a killer compliance and quality standards training program. Go.
Step 1. Assess your needs and identify gaps. First things first, you need to know what you're trying to achieve. Start by assessing your current compliance and quality landscape. Ask yourself these critical questions. Which regulations are applicable to our industry and the specific business operations? Things like data privacy laws, safety regulations, and industry-specific standards.
What are our existing internal quality standards and procedures? What are the common compliance issues and potential risks within our industry? What is the current level of understanding and skills among our employees regarding these regulations and standards?
A needs assessment questionnaire or employee survey can be incredibly helpful in gathering this information. Analyzing the results will highlight the gaps in knowledge and the areas where training is most needed.
Step 2. Define learning objectives and training goals. Based on your needs assessment, it's time to define specific and measurable learning objectives. What do you want your employees to be able to do after completing the training? Think SMART objectives. For example, instead of employees will understand data privacy, try by the end of this training, employees will be able to identify personally identifiable information or PII according to GDPR guidelines. Remember to align your training goals with your overall business objectives. How will this training contribute to a safer workplace, higher quality products, or improve quality satisfactions?
Step 3. Choose your training delivery method. Now, for the fun part, deciding how to deliver the training, there are numerous options available, each with its pros and cons. Consider these methods: online courses, in-person workshops, on-the-job training, webinars, and gamified training. The best approach often involves a blended learning strategies, combining different methods to maximize engagement and knowledge retention.
Step 4. Develop training content. Content is king. Your training materials should be accurate, relevant, and easy to understand. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Share your experiences with compliance training in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next